Today is the 14th of February and taking a look at the Euro Australian dollar on a monthly time frame using Serene Education's FX Ultimate 4 strategy. Here we can see by our matrix box it is primarily red. Price is trading below the 200-day moving average on all time frames, so we know straight away we should be looking for selling opportunities. Here you can see we've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is below and bright. Therefore the FXTU part of our strategy is set up for selling positions. Price is also trading below the 3 moving averages and very much lower than the previous month's close. We have a look on this time frame. Should price continue to fall further, we do have a support level below which would act as a major target. If we drop down now onto the weekly time frame, here we've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below and SMA is below and bright. Again, the FX2 part of our strategy is set up. Price is trading below the 3 moving averages and slightly lower than the previous week's close. Just want to zoom in slightly here to see if we've got any further consolidation areas roughly around that price level, and then we've got a very nice clean sailing down to the downside. But the strategy in itself is set up, so what we're going to do is drop down now onto the daily and have a look and see what we're getting here. We've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is below but dark, showing a slowdown in momentum, and we're getting that because the previous 2 candles were a slight pullback against that downward trend. But we've got a breakout, a pullback, and now what we're seeing is a continuation. Price again is below the 3 moving averages. They're in numerical order, they're nicely spread out. All we're looking for is some momentum coming through on this pair. So what I'm going to do is drop down now onto that 4-hourly time frame. Here what we've got is a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is slightly above and dark, showing a slowdown in momentum of upside movement. But what we are seeing is a bit of indecision. Now remember, in order to make money we need to be trading the trend direction, and with momentum, there's no momentum coming through as yet. We do have a potential support and resistance level in play at the moment. So what we're looking for, either a 4-hourly break and close lower with SMA back below, or if you wanted to trade further intraday trades, we can look at the hourly time frame here. We've still got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is below but dark, showing that slowdown in momentum as price has started to move sideways. We are still below the 3 moving averages. They're in numerical order, and our hourly bearish close lower with SMA bright again, and we'll get those continuations to the next downside. Looking at that, we have still got roughly around about 130 pips in the trade. Definitely one for your watch list. Even if you want to drop down, go more aggressive, look at your 30-minute time frame. You've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is above, SMA is now above but dark, showing a slowdown in momentum of upside movement. So trading off at 30 minutes, a nice bearish close lower with SMA back below, and we've got those continuations lower.